why I do not wear watch. Nang hindi ko magsulot ng relo. And so, I remembered how it came to be. I had this professor in liturgy when I was in theology who told us na every time umisa siya, buon yun na niya ang iyang relo because the Mass is something that is not of our control. But whenever we come to the Holy Mass, nagtuo siguro ta na nakatawin in the context of time. But always remember that there is a miracle happening every time we participate in the Holy Mass. Sa atong nabantayan, we are in the context of time, pero what actually is happening here is we participate into the eternal feast. So, in some way, we are out of time because we participate in what is happening in the eternity. And that is why ang kanang professor, iyan ang buo ng iyang relo to remind him that this participation is not of his own control. Hindi niya kontrolado because what happens here is not my work, not your work. This is all God's work. So we are participating in eternity. During the Mass, angels and saints are with us right now. God is with us. Jesus is with us. The Holy Spirit is with us. And so akong isunod ang kanang model. So mahitabo one time, nagsuot ko rilo, akong gihugo. Kung wala dyan ako makiti akong rilo patuman, pinalimot ako kasan ako ibutang. So from that time on, I never wear watch until the present moment. No? But kidding aside, my dear friends, in our gospel today, the crowd are actually controlling Jesus. What can you do? What can you do? Kung sa kamay imong mahimo, kung sa miracle na imong mahimo, kung nga, kita po imong anak, we are like the crowd. We control the Lord. Lord, give me this one, give me, give me, give me. But sometimes, we forget one essential thing, which is actually part of prayer. And what is that? We commend ourselves to God. In our responsorial psalm, which is connected to our first reading, Stephen, the last words of Stephen were, into your hands, Lord, I commend my spirit. Let's check on our prayer life. Let's check on how we talk to the Lord. Are we controlling the Lord? Or do we also give space to the Lord to overcome us and to take in charge of us? Remember, every time we celebrate the Mass, it is the Lord who is in charge. And hopefully, kita ng tambong o nituo that during the Mass, kita karon we participate, that God is truly in control. May we also, in our lives, take note of that God is also in control and not us. Like Mama Mary, like si Pedro Calungsod, may we all believe and we all trust ourselves to the management, to the control of God.